Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today is just a short video. I'm down here in San Antonio for the Dynamics Summit NA conference. So I'll be down. I flew in yesterday. Was traveling all day. Today's kind of a free day to a certain degree. So actually, I'm a speaker down here. I'll be speaking on Power Platform Governance. There's my little speaker badge, right? Um, which I know it's like, Greg, you post stuff on Power BI, but yeah, but my normal job is Dynamics, and I also have at least some knowledge of Power Platform as well. I did bring down three copies of two of my books. So the Definitive Guide to Power Query M and Microsoft Power BI Cookbook Third Edition. Um, so if you're down in San Antonio or you're going to the Dynamics conference, I'll actually be speaking Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. on Power Platform Governance in room 217B is where it's located. And then we actually have a booth on the exhibitor floor. It's a 20 by 20 booth. It's booth number 333. It's right next to the Microsoft booth. So I'll be hanging out there during exhibitor hours as well. So, hey, if you're down, in San Antonio or you're going to the Dynamics conference and, want to stop by and say hi, would love to chat you up, man. All right. Well, that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.